weaker demand and rising costs. In the midst of weaker demand and rising costs, the rupee has become weaker, sovereign credit ratings have become weaker, the tax rate has increased with rising input costs, with rising global commodity prices, with rising fuel oil prices, with rising edible oil prices, with rising energy costs, with rising joblessness, rising poverty level, rising income inequality. That's why the labor-intensive Indian economy is failing. To make India a stronger economic power on global sky against the capital-intensive nation. And in this situation, capital-intensive nations have become a mightier. Why? Government of India, led by Modi government, has dreamt to make India a $5 trillion economy by 2025. So to achieve this aim of making India a $5 trillion economy, our policy makers have brought from demonetization to monetization to national asset monetization. Why? Monetary policy makers have brought tighter liquidity from tighter liquidity to higher liquidity to adaptive liquidity or accommodative liquidity. But all the time, Indian economy, the situation has become from bad to worse. Further, the government of India has accepted the Swadeshi economic model under its Atmanirbhar Bharat program. While RBI has accepted Western monetary policy to drag out Indian economy from its financial instability by infusing huge liquidity in the economy in the expectation of to increase credit growth rate, to increase investment rate for better growth rate, for better GDP growth rate. Instead of increasing consumption demand, increasing level of purchasing power, increasing consumers' confidence level, increasing business confidence level. And within this situation, the private final consumption expenditure has become lower, and also private final investment expenditure have also become the lowest one. And the result is falling GDP growth rate, rising unemployment rate, rising joblessness, rising poverty, rising government borrowing, rising tax rate, etc. Here it seems Indian economy has become a victim of contradictory economic policies, where Government of India has accepted Swadeshi economic model through labor-intensive technology, while RBI has accepted capital-intensive technology through Western monetary policy model. Under the persuasion of US Fed Reserve and IMF, this is the situation, and the result is rising joblessness, rising inequality in income, rising poverty, falling GDP growth rate, falling purchasing power, etc. In this situation, the need of hour is to adopt India's centric, cohesive, holistic, and totality, that type of economic model by restructuring free market model, by restructuring the trade liberalization and also the restructuring of privatization, consumers protection, and also by keeping eagle's eye on multinational corporations to save India from future shocks and odds with risk. Here, the old model has become unable to solve the present economic problem or economic odds and shocks. So the need of hour is to chalk out that type of Indian economic policy which suits India and Indian people in the interest of growing and stronger economic power in the midst of global sky. This is the situation. Thanks a lot of thanks, my viewers.